Hello and welcome to this short video for Algebra 2. This is designed for an assignment we're given on October 20th. That's a Thursday, 2022. And so the assignment is on solving equations by factoring and also solving equations by taking some square roots. And so let's take a look at this a little bit. And so I'll just do a few that are on your assignment. Number one is a good place to start, I guess. It's r squared minus 6r minus 40 equals 0. You can see that it's already set equal to 0. And so furthermore, there's not a greatest common factor. And so we'll try to factor this into two binomials. Remember, the strategy here is to think of two numbers that multiply to 40. I have a difference of 6, difference because of this minus sign. And so those two numbers are 10 and 4. And since this is a minus 6r, okay, then you might notice that if we multiplied this out, that would give me minus 6. So minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. And so then, furthermore, we're not done yet, right? Furthermore, we say r minus 10 is 0 or r plus 4 is 0. And so if r minus 10 is 0, then r has to be 10. And if r plus 4 is 0, then r has to be negative 4. So the answer to that first question is r equals 10 or r equals negative 4. Let's just pick another one. How about number 10? Number 10 says b squared minus 17b plus 72 is 0. Again, it's set equal to 0. And this time, this is a plus sign that I'm pointing at. And so, we need two numbers that multiply to be 72, that add to be 17. And those two numbers are 5 and no, they're not 5 and 12. Whoa, I got to think about this a little harder, I guess. So let's think. What multiplies together to be 72? 9 and 8. Those two numbers are 9 and 8. And so then b minus 8 equals 0 or b minus 9 equals 0. And so in that case, b equals 8 or b equals 9. Let's do another one. How about, let's pick one where all the signs are positive. Maybe 26. Okay, on number 26. Get the camera set up for you here. On number 26, it says that x squared plus 14x plus 48 is 0. So we need two numbers that multiply together to be 48 that add to 14. Those numbers would be 6 and 8. And so then we would write that either x plus 6 equals 0 or x plus 8 equals 0. And so x is negative 6 or x is negative 8. All right, so that's that one. The next part of your assignment asks you to solve equations by taking square roots. And so question 31, for example. Question 31 has n squared plus 5 is 9. Now you want to get the n squared by itself to begin with. And so what we're going to do there is that we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. And then that gives us n squared equals 4. And then you might recall that we said, well, if we have n squared equals 4, then n is either positive 2 or n is negative 2. The other day we wrote that as n equals plus or minus 2. That works, all right? Number 33, say we didn't actually do one quite like this the other day, but we can now. 33 says 4k squared equals 36. Now we just want it to be k squared. And so we're going to divide both sides by 4 to begin with. And we have k squared equals 9. And then we can take the square root of both sides to find that k is plus or minus 3. We could show our work if we wanted to by taking the square root of both sides, like that. I guess in the last problem, I didn't actually show my work by taking the square root of both sides, but that's what we're doing. We're taking the square root of both sides. All right, let's do another one. How about maybe 57? Says that negative 8x squared is equal to negative 200. Let me get the camera fixed here for you. Negative 8x squared is equal to negative 200. So the first thing we'll do, just like the last one, is we'll divide both sides by negative 8. Then we would have x squared equals positive 25. Then, if we take the square root of both sides, we find that x is positive or negative 5. And so those are our answers for that one. All right, I hope this helps. Hope you do a great job on your assignment today. It's due at the end of the hour. Make sure you turn it in to the substitute teacher. Good luck.